The doctor is in.
Hello and welcome back to Doc Talks with me, Akhilesh. Today, let's take a look at viruses. Viruses are enigmatic life forms living at the very cusp of our understanding of what life itself is. Traditionally, living organisms have got the building blocks of life, namely deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA, DNA and RNA, which have the genetic information which then has to be understood and interpreted into proteins and other building blocks. And this interpretation mechanism does not often exist within the viruses, and they have to infect hosts in order to gain access to this mechanism and then use it for their own sinister purposes, if you will. A normal animal cell has several parts or organelles which perform specific functions. The viruses hijack the protein forming mechanisms contained in the ribosomes part of the cell and begin to make copies of themselves, hijacking the normal mechanism by which the cell produces substances and parts of its own. Now, viruses are really small. To give you a perspective, the smallpox virus is about 10,000 times smaller than a grain of sand. And this size has contributed to a little delay in our understanding of viruses as compared to bacteria and the infections that they cause. But viruses are very powerful and have contributed significantly to human pain and suffering, especially through pandemics and epidemics like the H1N1, the SARS, and now we have the COVID-19 pandemic. So today we saw a little bit about viruses, and thank you for joining me. I look forward to seeing you again